Keep your end of the deal.
I always do.
I'll get it running. Yeah.
Definitely a candidate for the scrap pile. Come on. Oh man, look at the state of this thing. Spider webs, oil, rot. What a mess.
Keep it steady. Almost there. Just have to preserve this again.
To remove air bubbles.
All right, time for the light. Damn, another one. This is gonna be a job. All right, just a little further. Oh wow, look at this. The floorboards are completely rusted through. It's jungle silt underneath. God, this thing is stuck. Okay, come on, just a little more. You got it. Watch out for the dust. Ugh, moldy. Finally, nice work. Almost there.
Just a bit more.
Got it? Let's catch this. There we go. Okay, that should release it. Be careful, it's brittle. Slow and steady.
All right, finally, let's get this sludge out.
All right, just one more bolt. Watch the wires. Keep going. Slowly. Just a bit more. Easy. All right, these two. I think I finally got them. Yes, that's the one. All right, let's tackle this engine now. Clearing the grime. Almost done with this section. All right, time to blast this jungle car clean.
Keep the nozzle steady to remove the paint efficiently.
Looks much better already. Setting the amperage for a clean bead here. We're almost ready for the patch panel. Just tacking this edge first.
The surface becomes perfectly flush. Mechanics blow dust off the area. The pinkish filler goes on smoothly, feathering the edges. Now, time to sand.
The tape holds, nice and straight. Spraying now, looking good, even coverage.
Keep it steady. Overlap the passes, ensure the pressure holds. Nice and even now. See that gloss? Move to the headlight.
You've got to work the bristles in deep. See how that lifts the crud? Now wipe that away and move to the next section. All right, these pistons are ready to come out. Nice and easy now. We don't want to bend anything. There's one and the other. Good. Now, time to check the rods. All right, just a little assembly lube in here. Looks good. Nice and smooth. All right, easy there. Give it a push. Okay, that's it. There, good and tight. Just a little smudge here. All right, time to bolt down the fan shroud. Nice and tight. Give it a little check. That's good. All right, new cylinder goes over the piston. Hear that? That's the sound of the rings clicking into place. Good fit.
All right, let's see. Flickering. Come on. Got it. Yes. Perfect fit. Fits perfectly. Look at that chrome shine. Down here. Oh. Where did this even come from?
She's a bit stubborn this morning. Just need to give it a nudge.
Here we go.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's see how this looks. That's better. Much better. All right, let's see if she still purrs. Perfect. Still got it.